What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing great, you are all doing well, and welcome back to this new episode. In this video, I'm going to review a perfume from the house of Mancera. Mancera is a French house based in Paris, and they fall in the category of affordable niche houses. Yes, they are niche and affordable at the same time. Their prices are so good that most of the time you will be paying equal to or less than some famous branded perfumes like Dior or Chanel. So they are very affordable and niche. So what you can expect from a niche house? Number one is the creativity, then superb blending, and then amazing quality. So you will get all these three things in their products. They are very creative, the blending is outclass, and the quality is amazingly good here. So in this video, the product which I'm going to review is Kumkat Wood or Kumkat Wood, and this is a criminally underrated perfume from the house of Mancera. If you check this perfume on the Fragrantica, you will see that there are some people who don't like this perfume a lot, but they said that it's okay, but like this is something normal for them. But for me, this is a very beautiful concoction. If you like citrusy woody scents, then this is a masterpiece. So let's start our review, and as always, we will start with the presentation first. So here you will get the very typical Mancera packaging here, same presentation. The box is gold, most of the time it's black and gold. This is the two colors they are using. So here in the case of Kumkat Wood, it's in gold color. You will find the name of the brand here, Mancera Paris, the name of the perfume, Kumkat Wood, and then nothing on the sides, and then some ingredient details here in the back and some details in the bottom. So this is the box, and now let me show you the bottle, which always comes in this kind of golden pouch. All of you guys out there who have already experienced Mancera, they must know that their perfumes always comes in these kind of leathery golden pouches. So here it's golden fabric, but it gives you feel of leather. Beautiful pouch. And then finally you will get your perfume in this barrel shaped perfume bottle with this beautiful golden rectangular sticker here with the name of the brand and perfume. My bottle came with the screw type cap here, which is made of metal with the detailing on the top here. You can see the M of Mancera, and this is a screw type cap. There is a thick glass base, a simple bottle. Most of their bottles are in the same shape, and fragrance is literally amazing. Let me give you the notes breakdown, and then I will try to explain you that how this beautiful perfume actually smells. So before we move forward, let me tell you that this perfume was a recommendation by a brother, fellow YouTube reviewer, Jamil Bhai. He's having his own YouTube channel called Fragrance Jam, and he's reviewing a lot of perfumes there, and he's not like me. He's very consistent with his work, and he's uploading a lot of videos there, especially if you're living in India. He's bringing a lot of local great Indian houses on his channel. So do check out his channel. I'm going to put the link in my description box. So if you're interested in fragrance reviews, especially if you're living inside India and you are interested in some international and some local Indian houses, do check out his channel. So Jamil Bhai sent me this sample or decant, whatever you can call it, like almost 2 years back now. And from the first sniff, I fell in love with this perfume. And this sample has led me to the purchase of a full bottle. So this was my journey from a decant to the full bottle. And now let's talk about the fragrance. Let me give you the notes breakdown first, and then I'll try my best to tell you that how this perfume actually smells. So here in the top, you'll get grapefruit, spices, and bergamot. And then in the middle, you will get floral notes. There is patchouli and amber. And then in the base, you will get cedar, vetiver, sandalwood and white musk. This is the notes breakdown, and now I will try to explain you that how this perfume actually smells. So first of all, this is an amazing citrusy woody concoction here. Kumkat Wood is a simple scent. It's not very complex, yet very elegant, still niche, and a beautiful composition here. The blending and quality, everything is top notch. So it's a citrusy and woody kind of concoction, as I have told you earlier. So here in the opening, you will get a blast of citruses and cedar wood. There is a mix of juicy grapefruit and bergamot in the opening, mixed with that dry woody note of cedar wood with that balsamic little bit green and woody kind of vetiver in the base. And then you will find very dusty kind of sandalwood in the back, in the base once again. So this is the whole structure of this perfume. It's citrusy, it's dry woody on the top, and then there is like powdery kind of sandalwood in the base, and then there is that green and woody herbal type of vetiver in the middle somewhere. So this is how this perfume opens, and then it's not going to change a lot. It's not a very dynamic type of scent. Most of the time it remains the same, but towards the second phase it becomes a little bit more woody. Cedar wood starts to shine a little bit more, but that beautiful juicy bergamot and grapefruit keep hitting your nose every now and then. Citruses are going to stay with you from the start till end, but in the middle, in the second phase, woody notes becomes a little bit more prominent, and then towards the dry down you will start to get some musky notes here. The woods will become a little bit soft, and in the final dry down sandalwood starts to shine a little bit more. It will become a little bit dusty and powdery towards the dry down. So in the final dry down you will be left with some citruses, some very light note of dry cedar wood, some musky notes with some dusty and powdery sandalwood in the base. So this is the whole journey of this perfume. It's very nice. As I've told you earlier in the beginning of my review, that this is not a very complex scent, but still it gives you that feel of niche. You will feel the quality, the blending in this perfume, and the overall journey is really good, really amazing. The best thing in this perfume is the quality, the way it hits your nose. You will feel that high quality materials in this perfume. So this was about the fragrance and journey of Kumkat Wood. So if you are someone who like citrusy and woody kind of scents, then you are going to love it. Let me give you a few examples of some famous fragrances which are somehow similar to this perfume. So if you have ever experienced Ormond Man from the house of Ormond Jane, this perfume is somehow similar to that perfume. It's not exactly the same, but it's in the same ballpark. So if you like Ormond Jane's Ormond Man, you're going to love it. And if you have ever experienced Dunhill's Century, this is, you can see, an ultra niche and upgraded version of Century from the house of Dunhill. The Dunhill is not very citrusy. The citruses used in that perfume are not very strong, but even in Century you will find that dry cedar wood note in that perfume. So here it's more citrusy, it's more juicy. You will find a lot of grapefruit and bergamot here in this perfume, with some similar kind of cedar wood here. So if you like those kind of perfumes, then you are going to love it, especially if you cannot afford Ormond Jane's Ormond Man. Just rock this one and you will be equally happy. They are somehow very similar. So this was about the inspiration, or you can say the comparison between Kumkat Wood with some other famous fragrances. And now let's talk about the other aspects of this perfume. So let's talk about the performance first. So performance wise, Mancera is always great. You guys who have already experienced fragrances from the house of Mancera, they know that their perfumes are performing like crazy. So even here, the longevity of this perfume is 1 day plus. You will be able to smell this perfume from your shirt or t-shirt even on the next day. Sillage, projection, everything is amazing. Just start from like 8 to 10 sprays and you will be rocking whole day. And whenever you are going to interact with people, they will be able to smell it. And especially if you are staying indoors, this will rock whole day. So performance is not an issue here. And now let's talk about the gender. So this is a kind of unisex type of perfume, but in my humble opinion, this perfume leans more towards the masculine side. And now let's talk about the age group. So if you are around the age of 17 or 18 years, then you can rock it. So if you are 18 years plus, 17 years plus, you can rock this perfume easily. Even if you're at the age of 14 or 15, you can still check it out. And now let's talk about the season or weather. So this is a perfume which can be used all year round, but for the best experience, use this perfume in summers, in fall, and in spring. In cold weather, when it's very cold outside, you can still use it, but it will not give you the best of it. And now let's talk about the occasion. So this is a scent which can be used in any kind of scenario. This is a very versatile scent, great for your office, great for functions, for marriage, get-togethers, partying, anywhere you like. So this will work in any kind of scenario, in your gyms, at your dates. This is a perfume which is crowd pleaser. It's not complex, it's simple, a no-brainer. You can use this perfume without thinking a lot. You know, you can just pick it up from your shelf, spray it on, and you can leave your house. You don't have to plan anything. So this is a perfume which you can rock in all kind of scenarios, nothing specific here. So this is a Kumkat Wood's Occasion, a daily drive kind of scent. And now let's talk about the price. So the current price of this perfume inside UAE grey market is around 250 UAE dirhams. It's like almost, you can say, half of the price of Dior Sauvage. So you can see a niche perfume with a price which is less than designers. So in grey market, this is for 250 to 260 UAE dirhams for 120 ml juice. And if you go with some retailers, it's going to cost you around, I think, 500 to 600 dirham, which is very similar to the price of Dior and Chanel perfumes. So this was about the price, very affordable, beautiful scent, quality blending, everything is nice. You're going to love it. Do check it out if you can, and thanks me later. So this was about Kumkat Wood from the house of Mancera. I hope you like this review. I'm going to catch you in my another review of another great product. Till then, put your scent on, stay fragrant, and bye.